Wow! There sits the watch magnificently, a momentous occasion, as it's my very first American brand watch. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box channel. Today, we'll be unboxing my very first American brand watch, the Timex Expedition Acadia TMTW for B26500JQ. The package appears to be secure without any signs of damage. The watch box is further enveloped in a thick plastic bag. So, here's the invoice. I acquired this watch for RM282 or $60 US, while the retail price stands at RM349 or $74 US. Let's proceed to open the box. A beautifully crafted Timex box with a white Timex logo against a red background. It appears that this watch is manufactured in the Netherlands. Below, you'll find information about the Timex company. Let's open the box and explore its contents. Wow! There sits the watch magnificently, a momentous occasion, as it's my very first American brand watch. Indicated here is the durable fabric strap, 100-meter water resistance, and Indiglo backlight. Let's carefully remove the watch from its compartment. Following that, we have the documentation, warranty information, and the user manual can be downloaded from the Timex website. The brown strap seems rigid and challenging to unbuckle. And here is the watch, featuring a stunning cream-colored dial. Let's proceed by removing the elastic watch tag. Next, we move on to remove the dial's protective sticker. Before delving further, let's take a closer look at the watch. This watch features a Japanese quartz movement, but it is unclear whether it's a Miyota or Seiko. It has the appearance of a field or military watch and gives the impression of a robust construction. The case size is 42 mm without the crown and 44 mm with the crown. Lug-to-lug distance measures about 50 mm. The thickness is 12 mm. Lug size is 20 mm. Now, let's delve into a discussion about the dial. First, we have the attractive cream-colored dial adorned with brown Arabic numeral markers. Down below are the Indiglo and WR100M prints. Further in the inner dial, you'll find numbers 13 to 24 printed in a small circle. Atop the hour markers are small black upside-down triangles. A small date window is positioned at the 3 o'clock mark. The hour hand is broad and short with an arrowhead-shaped tip accented in red, while the minute's hand is shaped like a sword. The second hand has a circle followed by a red tip. Although the hour, minute, and second hands appear to have luminescence, they do not in reality. The crown is quite large and easy to set. Pulling to the first position adjusts the date, and to the second position adjusts the time. The red Timex logo, along with the red tips on the hour and second hands, seems to be the main attraction of this watch. The dial features a black hard resin bezel attached to a matte finish green resin case, both of which feel and look sturdy. Unfortunately, the bezel is fixed. The case is undoubtedly made of a durable resin material. The case back is stainless steel screwed to the case. The Timex logo and model number are clearly printed in the middle. Other information on the case back includes the 100-meter water resistance and battery type, which is the CR 2016, good for 2 to 5 years. The strap is quite rigid and feels durable, listed as a mixed material fabric strap. The end links of the strap are made of hard plastic. The underside of the strap is black nylon, and it has a rubber strap retainer. The stainless steel buckle has a Timex logo imprinted. It features a double-edged crown design, making it easy to set the date and time. Let's set the time to the correct local time. It seems to be very straightforward. In my opinion, this watch is an attractive, durable field watch style with 100-meter water resistance. Let's put this watch on my 6.5-inch wrist. There you have it, just the right size, not too big or too small. The bluish backlight is remarkably bright, ensuring no difficulty in seeing the time in the dark. This watch is recommended for those who appreciate a field watch style. That concludes my unboxing and review, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one. Bye for now.